This house was the home we chose to raise a family in over 20 years ago. It is in a wonderful neighborhood just outside of DC with great schools and friendly neighbors. This house was built in 1959. It has a solid structure. However, I want it to be more contemporary. This is not my dream home, at least not yet. I wanted a modern home with an open floor plan, an immaculate owner's suite, and a beautiful kitchen for entertaining my family and friends. I was attracted to NGage Properties Group because of their design work I saw online. I initially contacted them to redesign my kitchen and build a screened-in porch. However, when meeting with the owner, Nicole, I felt so engaged in the design process, I ended up redesigning my entire home. 4 levels of redesigned living space, plus an exterior facelift. Through their nVision virtual reality technology, I could fully see what my home could look like. I can see an open floor plan, an eye-catching fireplace, and I could even see where a powder room could go where one didn't exist before. nVision gave me a fully immersive experience. I highly recommend NGage Properties Group to experience nVision for yourself.